names are Nora,
Ariadna,
Oriol,
and Sofia.
and we are from King's College School, La Morareja in Madrid.
And for this Colby Science competition, we're going to do a homemade simulation of the most beautiful and amazing experiment ever done in science.
the double slit experiment.
And now we will see what will happen with the particles in the experiment.
Here are the two slits. And these are the wine marbles that we will use as particles. Particles were thrown against the two slits using a particle gun, like we can see here. When scientists went into the room, they saw two straight lines of black dots just where the slits were.
And now, what will happen with waves?
Waves were also thrown towards the two slits, but this time they created an interference pattern.
This was because waves overlapped once past the slits.
And what will happen with electrons? Those mysterious things.
As particles, electrons were thrown towards the two slits, but a very weird thing happened.
Electrons form an interference pattern like waves. What?
After seeing that electrons created an interference pattern, scientists couldn't believe this.
So they decided to use a special camera for electrons to see what was happening.
Then, when they entered into the room, instead of seeing an interference pattern, they saw two lines.
This meant that electrons behaved as waves when not being observed, but behaved as particles when putting a camera on, forming the two lines of black dots where the slits were.
So why did this happen?
It happened because electrons have a dual nature, as some smaller particles like photons.
Having a dual nature means that they can behave as two or more things.
In this example are particles and waves.
Because in quantum physics,
things